Welcome to Wonderslate. Subscribe to our Telegram channel given in the description to updates and study materials. Topic for today's quiz is cell, the unit of life. Question number 1. Cell wall in bacteria is made up of underscore. Option A, pectin. Option B, cellulose. Option C, chitin. Option D, membrane. The correct answer is option D, membrane. Cell wall in bacteria is made up of peptidoglycan or membrane. Question number 2. The primary constriction of a chromosome is indicated by option A, chromocenter. Option B, centromere. Option C, satellite. Option D, telomere. The correct answer is option B, centromere. The primary constriction of a chromosome is indicated by the centromere. Question number 3. All the following are organelles of the cell except option A, plastids. Option B, resins. Option C, Golgi. Option D, ER. The correct answer is option B, resins. Resins are orgastic substances. Orgastic substances are non-protoplasm materials found in cells. These are not considered as cell organelles. Question number 4. The fluid-mosaic model was advocated by option A, Robertson. Option B, Singer and Nicholson. Option C, Danieli. Option D, Davison. The correct answer is option B, Singer and Nicholson. The fluid-mosaic model was proposed by Singer and Nicholson to explain the structure of plasma membrane. Question number 5. Which of these factors affect the rate of diffusion? Option A, concentration of molecules. Option B, molecular weight. Option C, temperature. Option D, all of them. The correct answer is option D, all of them. Diffusion is the net movement of molecules or atoms from a region of high concentration or high chemical potential to a region of low concentration. Molecular weight, temperature, the concentration of molecules and diffusion distance affect the rate of diffusion. Question number 6. Which among the following are the protein mills of the cellular factory? Option A, Lysosomes. Option B, centrioles. Option C, ribosomes. Option D, perioxisomes. The correct answer is option C, ribosomes. Ribosomes are called protein mills of the cell because the proteins are manufactured in the ribosomes. Hence, these are called protein factories. The proteins are made up of amino acids, smaller units, which bind together to form the polypeptide. Question number 7. Identify the following parts of a mitochondria labeled as numerals. Dot. Option A, I, outer membrane. 2, inner membrane. 3, matrix. 4, cristae. V, DNA. Option B, I, inner membrane. 2, outer membrane. 3, DNA. 4, matrix. V, cristae. Option C, I, matrix. 2, cristae. 3, outer membrane. 4, inner membrane. V, DNA. Option D, I, cristae. 2, DNA. 3, inner membrane. 4, matrix. V, outer membrane. The correct answer is option A, I, outer membrane. 2, inner membrane. 3, matrix. 4, cristae. V, DNA. The outer membrane covers the organelle and contains it like a skin. The inner membrane folds over many times and creates layered structures called cristae. The fluid contained in the mitochondria is called the matrix. The folding of the inner membrane increases the surface area inside the organelle. The mitochondria has a DNA of its own. Question number 8. Stacks of flat, membrane-bound cavities, cystinae, that together comprise the Golgi apparatus are called underscore. Option A. Chromosome. Option B. Vacuole. Option C. Dictyosomes. Option D. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. The correct answer is Option C. Dictyosomes. Dictyosomes are stacks of flat, membrane-bound cavities, cystinae, that together comprise the Golgi apparatus. Within the dictyosomes, proteins are stored, modified, sorted, and packed into vesicles, which are then closed off as Golgi vesicles, for further transport. Question number 9. The endomembrane system does not include Option A. Mitochondria. Option B. Lysosomes. Option C. Vacuoles. Option D. Golgi complex. The correct answer is Option A. Mitochondria. The endomembrane system, endo equals within, is a group of membranes and organelles in eukaryotic cells that work together to modify, package, and transport lipids and proteins. Endomembrane system includes Golgi complex, lysosomes, and vacuoles. Question number 10. In animal cells, what is the angle between the centrioles? Option A. 45 degrees. Option B. 90 degrees. Option C. 60 degrees. Option D. The centrioles do not form an angle. The correct answer is Option B. 90 degrees. In animal cells, the angle between the centrioles is 90 degrees, as they are perpendicular to each other. Question number 11. Which one of these is definitely not a feature of prokaryotes? Option A. The genetic material, DNA, is localized to a region called the nucleoid which has no surrounding membrane. Option B. They are unicellular. Option C. They are present as intestinal flora. Option D. Presence of membrane-bound organelles. The correct answer is Option D. Presence of membrane-bound organelles. Eukaryotic cells contain membrane-bound organelles, such as the nucleus, while prokaryotic cells do not. Prokaryotes are organisms without a cell nucleus, equals karyo, or any other membrane-bound organelles. They are unicellular. Question number 12. Amyloplasts stores underscore. Option A. Carbohydrates. Option B. Oils. Option C. Proteins. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Option A. Carbohydrates. Amyloplasts stores carbohydrates. Question number 13. The cell theory is not applicable to Option A. Algae. Option B. Fungi. Option C. Viruses. Option D. Lichens. The correct answer is Option C. Viruses. Viruses lack the typical structure of a cell and do not perform any functions of a cell, hence cell theory is not applicable to viruses. Question number 14. Plasmolysis is the process in which cells lose water in a Option A. Hypertonic solution. Option B. Hypotonic solution. Option C. Isotonic solution. Option D. All of them. The correct answer is Option A. Hypertonic solution. Plasmolysis is the process in which cells lose water in a hypertonic solution. The reverse process, cytolysis, can occur if the cell is in a hypotonic solution, resulting in a lower external osmotic pressure and a net flow of water into the cell. Question number 15. Which of these subunits are present in prokaryotes? Option A, 60S and 40S. Option B, 50S and 30S. Option C, 70S and 10S. Option D, 60S and 30S. The correct answer is option B, 50S and 30S. All prokaryotes have 70S ribosomes, while eukaryotes contain larger 80S ribosomes in their cytosol. The 70S ribosome is made up of a 50S and 30S subunits. Question number 16. Which of the following organelles give rise to the sarcoplasmic reticulum? Option A, Golgi complex. Option B, mitochondria. Option C, rough endoplasmic reticulum. Option D, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The correct answer is option D, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The sarcoplasmic reticulum is a specialized type of smooth ER that regulates the calcium ion concentration in the cytoplasm of striated muscle cells. Question number 17. Lysosomes are also called as underscore. Option A, water bags. Option B, suicide bags. Option C, air bags. Option D, none of them. The correct answer is option B, suicide bags. Lysosomes are small vesicles of different shapes containing some digestive enzymes. Their enzymes destroy and digest foreign substances around them. Many damaged cells are rapidly destroyed or dissolved by their own lysosomes, and hence these are also called the suicide bags. Question number 18. How many enzymes do perioxisomes contain? Option A, 50. Option B, 20. Option C, 30. Option D, 35. The correct answer is option A, 50. Peroxisomes contain at least 50 different enzymes, which are involved in a variety of biochemical pathways in different types of cells. Question number 19. Gram-positive bacteria stain purple because. Option A, the cell wall of gram-positive bacteria is high in lipopolysaccharide. Option B, the cell wall of gram-positive bacteria is high in peptidoglycan. Option C, there are two rings in the flagellar structure of the gram-positive bacteria. Option D, all of them. The correct answer is option B, the cell wall of gram-positive bacteria is high in peptidoglycan. Gram-positive bacteria retain their crystal violet dye. This is chiefly due to the difference in the structure of their bacterial cell wall. The peptidoglycan cell wall is thicker in gram-positive bacteria, which retains the color of crystal violet, while the peptidoglycan layer is thinner in gram-negative bacteria. The cell wall of gram-positive bacteria is high in peptidoglycan, which is responsible for retaining the crystal violet dye. Question number 20. Raghav kept a plant in a dark room for a week. The leaves started to look white and waxy. His mother advised him to keep the plant in a place where there was light directly falling on the plant. So he replaced the plant on the windowsill where there was direct sunshine. The leaves turned green again. Which of these organelles do you credit for this change? Option A, plasmid. Option B, plastids. Option C, vacuole. Option D, endoplasmic reticulum. The correct answer is option B, plastids. Plastid is a small double-membraned organelle of plant cells, occurring in several varieties. as the chloroplast, containing ribosomes, prokaryotic DNA, and pigment. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like practice this quiz, then download the Wonderslate app now, link in the description below. If you have any suggestion for us, feel free to leave comments. If you liked the video and want to see more of it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to click on subscribe button to get more updates of the future videos.